Who is King Sean is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another banger. Before we get in today, the personal loan with PenFed, I want to give you a quick update. You know, at times I'm getting overwhelmed in the email. People are asking me about personal products or business products, primary accounts, credit cards, personal loans, business loans, whatever it may be. I got to give you an update on this bank right here called Genesis Bank. If you remember, a little over a year ago, I was telling y'all to go and apply with them because they was giving out a bag. As you see right above, a little over a year ago, I got approved for $35,500. Easy, simple. All they needed to do is look at some income in your personal or business, depending on what your income is. If you work, if you don't work, if you have a business. That's how they will base your approval. If you was a working person, all you will have to do is provide 4 paychecks and they could get you approval up to $50,000, which is really good. But I gotta give you an update because a lot of people was asking. I did a short on this when I got approved for it, and I did a full breakdown on it with the Genesis Bank primary focus on savings account. Then they moved on to giving out personal loans up to $50,000. And it was actually planning on getting personal loans up to $100,000, but things didn't go the way they wanted to. They wasn't profitable, so they decided to cancel all their personal loans, sell it off to another bank. So now, if you're curious and you're gonna be asking about Genesis Bank, that personal loan that I got right above for $35,500, they are not offering it. So if you go on their website, you can open up a savings account, but they're not offering the personal loan, which was an easy approval. You could have got a bag offering it now with them. Now I have other ones I'm gonna be bringing to y'all down the line, but I just wanted to give you this update on Genesis Bank. A lot of times, them comments when it comes to this one on the shorts, they really liked it, but they're not offering it no more. This is why I'm always bringing it to y'all, telling y'all, go get that bag. They're giving out the money. Wasn't profitable, so they decided to cancel, sell it out for another bank. Move on. Now, we're talking about PenFed personal loan up to $50,000, right? You might be saying, how can I join? You can open up a savings account with a little of $5, easy, simple. Anybody could join. Now, you might be saying, what's the pros and cons with PenFed? Now, PenFed, I will have to say, it's probably my second favorite credit unions, but it's not big on the business side. But if you're looking for personal products, you could get it. Personal credit cards, lines of credit, loans, things like that. They can get you an offer. Now, they do pre-approvals when it comes to their credit cards, their personal loans, and all their products, which is really good, especially with the auto loans. Now, I have 2 personal auto loans with them in the past 5 years. They're known and very lenient when it comes to the auto loans. Go back on my full breakdown on those videos. Now, you might be saying, when it comes to PenFed, what is the requirements to get a personal loan? It's pretty easy. Long as you open a savings account with them with as little as $5, you can apply for any of their products, credit cards, it doesn't matter. Now, you need to have at least a 680 credit score or higher. Now, 680 will get you in the door, but it's not gonna get you that $50,000 limit you might be looking at. You wanna come in with at least a 7 or higher if you're trying to go for that $50,000. Now, I'm gonna let you know that. You need to be a US citizen, you need to have a job because they will need to verify your income. You will have to upload 4 pay stubs. So if you get paid weekly, that'll be a month. If you get bi-weekly, it'll be 2 months of pay stubs, which is really easy. And they're gonna ask for 1-year tax return, and that could really just get you in the door. Now, they're real picky when it comes to credit card utilization. We know a lot of people out there is always sending me messages and saying, hey, I got good credit scores, I got this, I got auto loans, I got a mortgage, this and this and that, but my credit card utilization is 70%, 80%, 90%. People, I've been telling you, we need to work on that. So now with PenFed, you need to have your credit utilization between 10 and 20%. To actually get you in the door and get that high limit approval, you wanna be under 10%. You know, that's kind of the big thing when it comes to their approval. Now, another thing, for all those that want to send me a message, want to get the coaching call, want to start working with me so I can help you get on the personal side where you need to go, or on the business side, go ahead, go on the home page, go to the store section. Once you go to the store section, you go right down, you book that call. Before you book that call, if you want to send me a message, go to the homepage, give me a couple hours, and I'll get right back to you. So again, I want to see everybody win. I want to see everybody get to that next level. That PenFed personal loan is pretty much easy. Long as you, again, you have those pay stubs and you have 1 year tax return, they can get you an offer up to $50,000. I want to see everybody do good. I want to see everybody make the right decision, but it starts with you, and you got to stop being lazy. Get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.